Hello, my name is Rebecca from freelancerartistry.com. Welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about a topic that's on everyone's mind lately, and with the sudden rise of chat OpenAI as a freelancer working in the marketing and SEO industry, I know it's been something I've been hearing a lot about lately and even something I've used myself. And with the rise of artificial intelligence and machine learning, many other people are asking the same question. If AI is the future, is SEO canceled? This is a valid concern, and one I was even worried about myself as I'm an SEO writer and editor, especially since AI has been making some big waves in many industries, including content marketing and digital advertising. So let's dive in and see what the future holds for SEO. But before you forget, please like, subscribe, and please visit my blog for SEO tips and tricks. So, first, let's start by defining what is SEO. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the practice of optimizing a website to rank higher in search engine result pages. It's one of my favorite topics and something I not only do for work, but also in my spare time. Ranking in search engine results pages can be done by using various tactics. There are a ton, such as keyword research, link building, and content optimization. SEO is becoming less of a science and more of an art form. But with the rise of AI, many people are worried that this highly valuable skill will become obsolete. So that sounds great for the average beginner who wants to start a blog. But for professionals like me, it was a little worrying that AI could possibly take my job. However, after some in-depth research on the topic, I learned this is not the case. AI can certainly make the process of optimizing a website more effective and efficient, but it cannot replace the human touch. AI can analyze vast amounts of data and provide insights that humans might miss, but it won't replace us. Also, have you seen some of the AI art? I tried to ask it to create a woman standing in front of a castle, right? The woman ended up with 3 legs and 4 arms. So my point is, AI can't replicate the intuition and creativity that humans have. While AI is still in its infancy and has the ability to evolve, for now, SEO experts are safe. Basically, there will always be a need for a human overseer. People just understand the nuances of search engine algorithms and how to use AI to their advantage to achieve the best results. Another main factor to consider is that AI is only as good as the data it's given. So while AI can certainly help with optimizing a website, it can't guarantee top rankings in its own. That's where you come in. Certain strategies and insights can only come from a person. With that said, the World Economic Forum reported that AI machines will replace 85 million jobs by the year of 2025. At the same time, AI will result in 97 million new employment opportunities being generated by 2025. So, I suppose it depends on your perspective. AI will make certain tasks obsolete, but it will also create workforce opportunities. It is also suggested that AI might also replace some of the more repetitive jobs. But will AI steal the job of an SEO content creator? No. A professional will always be needed. AI will simply become a new fancy tool for marketers, bloggers, and writers to make workflow much faster. So the future of SEO is not canceled, but it is certainly evolving. AI will play a big role in the process, but it can't replace the human touch. SEO professionals will still be needed to provide their expertise and creativity to achieve top rankings in search engine results pages. So if you're in the SEO industry, there's no need to worry. The future is bright and there will always be a demand for SEO services. That's it for now, but I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions for me or comments, please leave them in the section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my blog for more content and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.